How to use tax savings to buy a plane. Hi, I'm Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor. How would you like to buy this new 202 mile per hour 916 RG Bristell and use $100,000 of tax savings? Here are the details. The U.S. government is allowing 100% depreciation of a new business asset. When you buy new Bristell, we will lease it from you for $500 per month, and you will occasionally take a prospective buyer for a demo flight in your Bristell. If he or she buys, you will receive a commission. A new 202 mile per hour Bristell is about $400,000. If you have over $400,000 of income, you can get a $400,000 deduction on your tax return. If you are in the 30% tax bracket, you will have a $120,000 tax savings. You will need to close before December 31st. We will sell you a plane in our inventory and take it in on trade on a new 2026 Bristell, allowing you what you paid for the plane as your trade in. The 100% depreciation may not be offered in the future. This is a great opportunity to use money you are paying to the government to help buy a new Bristell. So call me, Lou Mancuso, the landing doctor, and I will send you the documents you need to make this happen. My number is 516-658-1847, or email me at loumancuso@AOL, and you can see our current inventory at www.sportflyingusa. So that's Lou Mancuso. Happy flying. Take advantage of this great limited time opportunity.